Hola, hola, hola! Welcome to the Spanish word of the day with Mr. Briggs. That's right, that is me. Today's word is nervous. How do we say nervous in Spanish? Nervioso if you're a male. Nerviosa if you are a female. Wow, this guy seems to be nervioso. What about this one? Él está nervioso. He's nervous. Él está nervioso. Él está nervioso. It's alright. Everything will be okay. Don't be nervioso. Ella está nerviosa. That's right. She's nervous. Ella está nerviosa. Ella está nerviosa. Once again, nerviosa is for female, nervioso for males. Ella estaba nerviosa. That means she was nervous. Ella estaba nerviosa. We say nerviosa because she's a female. She was nervous. Ella estaba nerviosa. Él estaba nervioso. He was nervous. Él means he. Estaba means was. And nervioso means nervous. Él estaba nervioso. Él estaba nervioso. Excelente, amigos. Click the red button, subscribe, and don't forget that I upload videos daily. Learn Spanish daily with me. Click the subscribe button, and hasta mañana.